Hi children, today we are going to learn on the topic of injustice around the world. In previous class we learned about the equality in a democracy, like the different forms of equality, that political equality, religious equality, economic equality, social equality and civil equality. Then we saw about the rule of law, the importance of rule of law, and rule of law is important. This is the base of the democracy. But these all things are there, even though people all over the world have been victims of injustice due to inequality around us. Many people are victims of social practices, political situations, economic deprivations, and religious intolerance. So, many are suffering by this different social practice, political situations, and religious intolerance. And we can see the inequality around us. Inequality is there. It is written in our constitution about the equality. We have the right to equality, but we can see the inequality around us. In India, Rajaram Mohan Rai, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Dayananda Saraswati, Mahatma Gandhi, Jyotirao Phule, etc. They are work hard to bring about the social reforms in India. So social reforms लाने के लिए इन लोगों ने काम किया because some inequalities are there. Then Aung San Suu Kyi, she is from Burma, Myanmar. She is the champion of the democratic movement in Myanmar. She entered into the field of politics in 1988. She was awarded with the Nobel Peace Prize in 1991 for her non-violent struggle for democracy and human rights. Aung San Suu Kyi, she is from Burma and she got Nobel Peace Prize, and she fought for the democracy and human right. And her struggle was one of the most extraordinary example of civil courage in Asia in the recent decade. And she brought the democracy into her country with non-violence. She brought the democracy in Burma, and she was put under house arrest from 20th July 1989 to 13th November 2010 by the military government of Myanmar. Okay, she was the world most prominent political prisoner. Means near about 21 years she was in house arrest from 1989 to 2010. And in 99, the Time magazine named her one of the children of Gandhi and his spiritual heir of non-violence. She accepted the non-violence. She got the idea of non-violence from Gandhiji, and she was in house arrest for 21 years. Then another person is that he is from USA. His name is Martin Luther King Jr. He fought for the rights of blacks, the black people, the dark colored people in USA. He fought for the black people of USA who faced many discrimination and were denied all rights. The black people faced many discrimination in America, and they were denied all rights. In India also it was like that. The lower caste people faced many discrimination. Like that in America, the dark people, the blacks faced many discrimination, and he fought for the rights of the black people. He was born in Atlanta, Georgia on 15th January in 1929. He was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi and initiated American civil rights movement by adopting peaceful method. He also adopted a peaceful method like non-violence, and he fought for the American civil rights movement he led. And he delivered his famous message, I have a dream, on 20th August 1936 during March on Washington for jobs and freedom. His famous message, I have a dream. He delivered this message on 28th August 1936 during the Washington March, and he was also awarded Nobel Peace Prize in 1964. He was the leader of the American Civil Rights Movement. Okay, now this lesson is over. In this lesson we learn about the democracy and equality. Okay, thank you.